has new launched LED Recordable Smart Blackboard, called SB V3. It's developed with wear drawing frame, unique sliding logbook design, and super flight seamless writing panel. The V3 supports multi-working modes and multi-user writing, follows the teacher's writing habits. The handwriting contents can be recorded and saved as e-content in 2 ways: hidden recording and on-site mirroring. No blind view angles anywhere in classroom. The teaching process is reproduced and the gesture eraser is supported. After class, teachers are able to scan the QR code to get teaching notes, share and export to teaching resource. These functions are working under both Windows and Android system. It inspires teachers and the students to enjoy handwriting. The V3 is an innovative product. It changes the way of education supplies and promotes the development of education informatization in new era.